Hi, I'm Steve Sherman, an Enterprise Account Executive at Media 272 and Win-Win Videos. I've dedicated my entire career to helping businesses from a wide range of industries grow and succeed. At Media 272, I build on that experience every day by being your video marketing partner. Our Win-Win videos are designed to drive potential customers to your business. This is a difficult goal in today's multi-screen environment, but we achieve it by producing high-quality customer testimonials from your key accounts. We realize these accounts are busy, but we gain their participation by producing 3 videos for them in one shoot: an overview of their business, a recruiting video to help them build better teams, and a customer testimonial of their own. In return for these assets, they are more than happy to discuss how great working with your company is and how crucial your products and services are to their success. I'm Steve Sherman, and I look forward to working with you and helping your organization exceed its business development goals.